Namaskar. Welcome to another episode of Editorial. Hooghly in West Bengal erupts when BJP announced their list. The local BJP guys, the local BJP workers were pretty upset. They were pretty upset with the new entrant coming from TMC especially, who were getting tickets. So we'll talk about that, and my question tonight is politics that easy, where all a political party has to do is lure, threaten or whatever, use whatever measures or means and ensure that candidates who win elections are bought into their party and made to stand for their party, win the election, win the seat and rule the state. Is politics that simple? Let's discuss that. Let's get right into the show. You know who is a groom? Have you heard of this term called groom? No. It is not the bride and groom. No. The groom I am talking about is a stable boy or a horse owner. A groom is a person who actually grooms the horse, makes it derby ready and makes the horse win races, makes the horse win derbies. There's a famous saying amongst the grooms that, you see, you are not a good groom if you buy a horse that has won a derby and then you say, okay, now he's going to put my team color and run. You're not a good groom. You're not a good horse owner. You are a good horse owner when you buy a good pedigree horse, train it, make it run a race and win it. That's when you are a good horse owner or good groom, as they call it. Why am I asking this question? Is because my question tonight is, like I said, is politics that easy? Do you become a Chanakya just like by picking up winning candidates of different parties, threatening them, cajoling them, offering them positions and all of that, and pulling them into your party, making them stand in your party and then saying, okay, I am Chanakya, my party is going to win. Does it work that way? Does it work that way? Now, let me talk to you about what am I saying. Why am I saying all this? I am saying all this is because the Bharatiya Janata Party is facing a lot of heat in Hooghly. Because the workers of Bharatiya Janata Party in Hooghly are pretty upset. They say, we have been in party, some of them say that we have been in the party since 1988 and you are getting some person from TMC coming and standing in my constituency. Where are tickets for my people? You know, some of their supporters, the party men, the party workers went and ransacked their district office in Chinsura. The party workers went and locked the office of Chandernagore, the party office in Chandernagore. They went and locked it. In fact, there were some VVIP people also inside it when they locked it. They locked it and went away. You see, the point is that it was all over, that it was all because of this gentleman called Rabindranath Bhattacharya, 88-year-old former minister of TMC, who is now been given ticket by the Bharatiya Janata Party. They said, you withdraw his ticket. ऐसा कैसा उसको लेके आता है यार, 88-year-old Rabindranath Bhattacharya. Till yesterday he was in TMC. Today you are bringing him in BJP and making him into giving him a seat. ऐसा कैसा होता? How fair is that? What about us? You know, a worker, Nirupam Mukherjee, claiming to be working in BJP since 1988, this is what I was trying to tell you. He said that I will commit suicide. He said, I will commit suicide if people who are with me, my people who have been working for BJP are not giving tickets, but people who are coming from other parties, especially TMC, are given tickets at will. He said, I will commit suicide. So this has been happening quite often in Bharatiya Janata Party, and this, I should say, has been a standard process of Bharatiya Janata Party, a standard operating process or a standard strategic process of Bharatiya Janata Party. I am not saying other parties don't do it, other parties also do it. But more often than not, this is seen with Bharatiya Janata Party. You know, in Haryana, there were 14 turncoats who were fielded by Bharatiya Janata Party. 9 out of those 14 turncoats lost. In Bihar, there were 205 turncoats. All the parties put together. I am not talking, like I said, I am not just talking about Bharatiya Janata Party. Of course, my focus is on Bharatiya Janata Party and West Bengal, but I am talking about a strategy per se. 205 turncoats in Bihar, out of which only 21 won. 10% won. Rest everybody lost. Uday and Raje Bhosle lost in Maharashtra. Alpesh Thakur lost in Gujarat. These were big names. Changed parties, lost. You see, the way one saw politics, the way one understood politics, and the way one understood traditional election is that a candidate has three forces that has to combine for a candidate to win an election. Force number one is the candidate's relationship with the voters and the voters' relationship with the candidate. This has to be good for a candidate to win. The second force, the candidate's relationship with the workers, party workers, and the party workers' relationship with the candidate. On ground. Very important. That has to be good. Then a candidate wins. And the third and the final support system is the party per se. The party support or the ideology's support to the candidate and the party's belief in that candidate. When these three things come together, that is when traditionally they say that a candidate wins. And the strategy and a strategist, a political strategist, is one who gets these three elements favorable for a candidate so that candidate can win, and he or she is a good political strategist. And you know what? It's a difficult job. It's a difficult job. So, traditionally speaking, once again, there is nothing called as a ready-made candidate. अरे ठीक है यार, हमको कितना सीट चाहिए? 30 सीट्स चाहिए. Take 30 winning candidates, put them in one, and here you are. 30 seats is yours. नहीं होता ऐसा. नहीं होता ऐसा. People like Prashant Kishore wouldn't charge you crores of rupees as fees which he rightly deserves if it was that easy. Bhai, there is a concept called strategy that is put into place, which is basically setting the ecosystem right for that candidate to win. And that's the important factor. And that's something that has been not happening. And yet, we have BJP as this election machine and people there as Chanakyas and all of that. But all that is great. But this is not the way it's going to win. This is not the way Bharatiya Janata Party wins the elections. Bharatiya Janata Party did the same in Maharashtra also. In Maharashtra also they tried to get people from different parties to join them. See, I understand that possibly Bharatiya Janata Party may not have the infrastructure. For instance, in West Bengal, they may not have the infrastructure to win the elections and to, to have that many party workers, that many senior party workers, that many eligible candidates in West Bengal. So they have to kind of parachute others. But that doesn't work. There is no shortcut for it. Because I don't have infrastructure, the ideal answer to that is create infrastructure or wait for such time till you have infrastructure. This is definitely not going to go well with Bharatiya Janata Party in West Bengal. And I am sure the Bharatiya Janata Party team, think tank, is going to work on this. They are going to do whatever it takes to correct this. They better do whatever it takes to correct this. The election has been split into 8 phases. Because of that, Bharatiya Janata Party will at least have time to correct all these snags that is happening in the middle. They'll have time to correct it. But end of the day, this is not a good strategy. Till I meet you next time, Namaskar.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs.
So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
The emerging backbone of India's economy are our startups. They represent India's youth. They represent India's aspirations. They represent India's hopes. They represent our fight against an insensitive bureaucracy, against an insensitive system. They represent the fight of our startup entrepreneurs against an indifferent system, against an insensitive banker, against challenges of dealing with the government, and against all the odds with which they started a startup. Every startup begins with a brilliant idea, a unique idea, an idea which nobody else thought of, and that becomes a business enterprise. We are starting our next episode series on what we call startup stories. It is a curiosity to know what was that idea, what was the motivation, what was the determination because of which one talented entrepreneur, without any background of business perhaps, decided to venture out on his own and create a successful enterprise. These are the ideas that motivate us also. If you have a startup story which is interesting, we would want to talk to you also. Come back to us with your own startup stories, and you might also be the person we would like to talk to.